In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the cart note, also known as order special instructions, using the Shopify Dawn theme. This is particularly useful if you want to give your customers the ability to leave specific instructions about their orders, which can enhance their shopping experience significantly. Let's dive into the steps and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage your store, so it's important to be familiar with this interface. Once you're logged in, head over to the section labeled Online Store on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see this option among the various tools that Shopify offers to optimize and manage your store's online presence. Next, you'll need to select Themes from the drop-down that appears. This is the area where you can customize the appearance of your store. Look for the Customize button on your current theme. Clicking this will take you into the theme editor, giving you access to all of the visual aspects you can tweak. Once you're in the theme editor, look towards the top right corner for a small gear icon. Clicking on it will reveal a list of options related to your theme's features and settings. This icon is crucial for accessing deeper customization features that aren't immediately visible on your main screen. Now, draw your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Cart. The Cart section is where you'll configure settings related to the shopping cart functionalities within your theme. In the cart settings, there's an option titled Enable Cart Note. By selecting this, you allow customers to input additional notes or special instructions regarding their orders at checkout. This feature is particularly beneficial if your products require some level of customization, or if customers need to provide specific delivery requests. After you've enabled the cart note option, make sure to save your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your store to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. Simply navigate through your store as if you were a customer, and add an item to your cart. This will allow you to see the cart note section in action and verify that customers can indeed add their instructions before completing their purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the cart note on your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This simple addition can make a big difference in customer satisfaction by allowing for personal touches and clarifications that might be necessary for many purchases. Enjoy exploring this feature and happy selling!